Hello, this is strictly documentation as a reference. It's dealing with PHP Magic Constants. If you can't remember them, you have a problem, well, just come to my channel and you can view it on remembering what the magic constants are in PHP. And so you got the constant that you'll use here. This is actually a variable. Okay, let me point that out. Okay, these are all variables. Okay, and then you got your description, and you got an example value of the value it will be. So line, that'll tell you the line number. Okay, file, that's the file that you'll get, depending on how you use it. Your directory, that's your directory value. Then your function, okay, then the user, okay, the trait loggable, okay, I don't use that very often, I don't use this very often, although I should. Okay, then you got your method, all right, and then you got your namespace. All right, and when you get to namespaces, you're definitely getting into classes, so you'll use these, together. This and this you'll use together. So anyway, this is the PHP Magic Constants, and I hope you like it, and you'll find this useful. It's a good reference, and you can get out there, search on the net, and get more detailed information. I imagine if you're looking at this page, you're already a programmer and you have a good idea on how to use all these, if not some of these. This is David Cherry. I hope that you find this is useful. Just pause the video and look at it and study it whenever you need to have it. It's there for that very purpose.